What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to watch YouTube videos on Android Auto. So if you want to use Android Auto or YouTube in Android Auto, well, there is one way that you could try doing or installing specifically on your device here. But by the way, before we start showing you the steps here, it is recommended that you only use this if you have your car parked or you just want to entertain your kids at the back. As long as you're not driving while using this, it's going to be safe. Again, safety first. Do not use this while driving. But how do you do so? So first things first is you want to go ahead and open up a browser here. Just type in the following. It's going to be Stream Dash. Now you want to open up the first website here. It's going to streamdash.app. Want to open it up and click on the download now button here. Now it's going to start the download process for Stream Dash here, so just wait for a while. It's going to start unpacking. Again, you want to just wait for it to complete the installation here. Now let's just wait for this to finish. And by the way, they may require you to complete offers here. Like for example, you may need to install specific apps in order for you to download the Stream Dash app here. But once you've completed each task here, so you just need to click on it, click on unlock now, and just follow the on-screen steps here in order for you to basically install the app itself, which is Stream Dash here. Now once you have the Stream Dash installed, you should have the option to basically add Android Auto into your devices, or you could usually to connect Android Auto into that Stream Dash here, and that should enable you to start watching YouTube videos in your car. But then again, be safe. Only do this on the side if you're not running your car. And that's about it. So if I found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.